Grüezi, Servus and hello. Thank you for tuning in, and it's great to have you with us. Why do we actually apply paint protection products in car care? Is it about UV protection? Is it about increasing gloss? Is it about achieving the best possible beading effect? Is it about self-cleaning? So what is it actually about? A few days ago, I applied a sealant to this car, and now I've noticed something that I thought was the perfect opportunity to introduce you to one of the reasons, and above all, to show you why we even apply paint protection products to our cars. Specifically, I applied a sealant shampoo and a wet sealant to the entire car. That means it was a car shampoo with an integrated sealing component and a sealant that I spray onto the wet car before drying, then rinse off, and then I'm done. Now, you should know that we are not going to go too deep into the different types of sealants here. We've already made a very detailed video about that for you on this channel. I'll be happy to link that again in the video description so you can check it out as a foundation. What you need to know is that both sealing shampoos and wet sealants are comparatively weak forms of sealant. They have become very, very good by now, but you still can't even begin to compare them to a nano or polymer sealant, a ceramic coating, or even to very good spray sealants or paste waxes. These are comparatively weak and simple forms that are inherently limited in their performance simply because they can be used, applied and put on so quickly and easily during washing. Nevertheless, here at the rear of the Carrot's winter right now, it's very cold and rainy. I noticed and observed something that I wanted to show you, because this is one of the main reasons why we even apply sealants to our cars. And it's about this here, what you see right here. We don't have a continuous film of dirt lying on the car here, but as you can see, the dirt is basically encapsulated and trapped within these water droplets. What I'm going to do now is simply spray over this area with the pressure washer and see if that's already enough to remove this dirt here. And as you just saw, that was enough. That means we didn't use any pre-cleaner or power foam from the lance. We didn't wash over it with shampoo either. Just the pressure and water from the pressure washer were enough to clean this area now. It might not be perfectly clean, but for a quick wash in the self-service bay without chemicals, it was sufficient. And that's one of the main reasons why we use sealants at all. Some people call this phenomenon or this effect the self-cleaning effect, while others refer to it as the easy-to-clean effect. But it all comes down to the same thing. We apply a sealant to the paint that creates a certain hydrophobicity, a water repellent effect. That means we have a barrier here that prevents water from spreading out over the surface, causing it to remain on the paint in droplets instead. And that in turn means that as long as the sealant is intact, dirt also collects in these droplets, allowing us to simply wash it off. But to be fair and realistic, if this dirt dries up inside those water droplets, you'll end up with a dirty car, just like you would if your car wasn't sealed at all. The difference, however, is that at least during the next wash, it will be easier to clean. And that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Among other reasons, we apply a sealant because it takes longer for the car to get dirty again. So the car stays clean for longer. And if you've sealed your car, the next cleaning will be easier for you. If you found the video helpful, informative, exciting or interesting, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Also, support the channel with a free subscription and tune in for the next video. Goodbye.